Hello! In this short video, we'd like to introduce a new feature of the plugin: the ability to quickly and efficiently generate option lists for dropdowns, checkboxes, and radio buttons. The process is very simple. First, insert any of these controls into your form. For this video, I'll add a set of radio buttons. Then, click the AI List Generation button in the Choices section. This will launch the AI assistant. Next, describe the list of options you need. Once the list is generated, simply click the button to apply it. And that's it, your field is ready. But there's something even better. The generated list is reusable. If you want to use the same list in another field, you don't need to generate it again. Just open the assistant and select the button corresponding to the list you want to reuse. You can repeat this process with any other control. And that's how easy it is to generate and reuse option lists with the new AI list generation feature. Thanks for watching and enjoy building smarter forms.